Hi folks, John here from Thunderbolt Locks, and today I'm going to show you how to connect the M2 to your battery. It's a very straightforward and simple process. The M2 comes with an extension lead that looks like this. It also includes a fuse that you're going to connect right here at the battery source. You're going to run that lead to your lock. It has two connectors right there, a red which is power, a black which is ground. You connect those by just plugging those in together like that, and voila, your lock will work. It is that simple. We think that this is the right lock to go in your van as opposed to connecting it to your factory motor wires. We really like this lock. It keeps it independent. I think it's a smart move. This is the M2. Now I want to show you one other thing. If you have multiple locks going in your van, a lot of times people put in 2, 3, 4 locks. We offer this distribution block. And this is a very handy little gadget that has two connectors at the end. You're going to connect those to your battery. There's a fuse connected already on it. And then this distribution block, you're going to put this somewhere centrally located in your van. So you could take all the M2s, they all come with an extension lead. You're going to take that and tap it right into the distribution block. What's also nice about this is there's actually 6 ports in here. So if you have 4 locks, you could connect 4. That's going to leave you 2 accessories. So maybe a phone charger, very easy to connect, 12 volts. If you want to put an LED light in your van, maybe you have a work van that's dark, install that LED light and tap it right into this distribution block. It makes connecting your wires very simple. Again, this is the M2. And that is how you connect your wiring.